When it comes to installing your wood stove, one of the most critical parts is going to be the final piece, which is known as a slip connector. It's the last part in the black hierarchy. Basically, it goes either into the ceiling support box or into the wall thimble. What this product does is it not only gives you the support as it's screwed in place, it also is the piece that is adjustable, so you don't have to know exactly the distance between the top of your stove and your ceiling or the top of your stove and the wall. This product is sold in both of our kits. It is also sold individually.